What made you wish Pokemon never existed? Dad had collected Pokemon cards since the 90s. During chemo, he taught us all about his collection. My brother Danny and I would spread cards across his hospital bed, while Dad told us stories about each card. Even when he was too weak to shuffle, he'd point and we'd move them for him. Those cards were the only thing that made him smile near the end. After Dad died, Danny inherited the collection. He turned his apartment into a memorial with perfect lighting and climate control. Every Saturday, he'd host viewings, telling Dad's stories exactly how Dad told them. Everyone praised him for keeping Dad's memory alive. Mom would tear up watching him. "It's like having Dad back," she'd say. That's when Dad's old collecting buddy studied the display cases. "Your father had such beautiful cards," he said. "Almost a perfect base set, too." Danny beamed with pride. "Almost?" Dad's friend pointed to an empty slot in the main binder. "First edition Charizard. Your dad searched 20 years for that one. Never could find it." I watched Danny's face change. His fingers pressed against the display glass right where the